Thank you for considering Unity Journaling course. You will like what we get up to here. If you are someone who has naturally rich inner world and who experiences intense, deep, complex thoughts or feelings or both, and if you would like to have somewhere central where you get an experience of being held, witnessed, received, guided, this format provides all of those things. Also, a sense of playfulness and interaction with beauty that is also beautifully possible through the journaling format. This format is not another worthy should of the type where you will take on as a practice and it will feel like something else that is a burden or an overwhelming thing to get around to. Rather, I support people to find their own way of integrating the principles behind using journaling for being guided in this way. And so each week we'll have a particular theme and a protocol to try out in order to experience the supportive element of those principles, but ultimately we will encourage one another to find a unique individual expression of using journaling to be held in this way. I'm hoping that you will join us if this is something that would support you, and if you have any remaining questions, please get in touch.